Welcome to your web design activity, CIS101 student. In this activity, you are to create an account, a free account specifically, at a online website. It's a tutorial site called Codecademy. Here you will find in the web design activity a link to the Codecademy site. You simply click on this link and you sign up for a free account. Now, I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in and demonstrate what you are expected to complete for your HTML and CSS assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here very quickly to my site, to my account. And we don't want Python, sorry about that. So once you create your account, you will have to go to the HTML area. So make sure you find, it's probably under language skills. I'm making this video in August and you won't have to do it till later this semester, so hopefully they won't change it. But it should be under language skills, and you want specifically HTML, CSS. So again, HTML and CSS. You don't want to simply do make a website. That is incorrect. Do not do web developer skills. And you don't want interactive. You don't want any of these. These are way more than what you need to do. You want under language skills, HTML and CSS. So once you go into this, you are to walk through each of these tutorials. They start you out with Introduction to HTML, and there are two areas underneath that, HTML Basics and Build Your Own Web Page. Then there's HTML Structure using lists, HTML Basics, Social Networking Profile. HTML Structured Tables, Divs, and Spans. Basics 3, clickable photo page. You are to do all of these. Walk through these. And then the final expectation is under Introduction to CSS, you only need to go through CSS and Overview. If you want to work further, you can, but the goal here is just to familiarize yourself with how HTML works, as well as the basic foundations of CSS. CSS is basically how you would change the presentation of a web page. You're changing and dressing up how it looks and feels for the user. So as you complete through CSS and Overview, what I'm expecting that you would do is when you complete an activity, as you go into the activity, you will see it walks you through literally what you are to do. It gives you instructions. This looks way more daunting than it really is. So don't be intimidated by this. It's not as bad as it looks. Codecademy is very good about giving you instructions and walking you through exactly what you are to do. It tells you exactly what you are to do on the left-hand side. And when you complete an activity, they will give you, I don't think, because I've done this in another account. Okay, so here's one I finished. And when you complete the activity, they will give you, let's see if I can finish this one and demonstrate. Yeah, it'll show you here, it'll say way to go, and whenever you actually finish through the entire activity, I can't replicate this right at this time, but it'll give you a pop-up screen that'll show you that you've completed it. I am totally fine with you giving me a screenshot of this, showing that it's completed with a check mark like you see, say for example here. And again, you only have to do through here. Or you could give me that screen that pops up showing you've completed it. Either way, I'm fine. I just need demonstration you completed it. In order to submit that, you can do that with a screenshot and save that screenshot in a Word file. Or you can simply use the snipping tool. And to get to the snipping tool, you can click in the bottom left-hand corner of your computer. Mine cuts off here in this video. At the bottom left-hand corner, you can go to Start and just simply type Snipping Tool, and it will come up. This is if you have a Windows computer, of course. And the Snipping Tool will come up, and you can simply just grab a screenshot of this. This will save as an image. You can save it as an image, and by default, it'll save as a JPEG. And you can simply upload that to Blackboard, or you can upload the Word file. When you go to upload in Blackboard, you'll simply go to Web Design and you will submit your document here on your computer. If you have any questions, let me know. Email me. But my intention here is to try to make this a little bit more simplified for you. You have to go through Introduction to HTML, both activities, Structure and Lists, both activities, Tables, Divs, and Spans, both activities, and then Introduction to CSS. You only need to do CSS and Overview, but you should have completed all of these. And by simply uploading your image or your Word file with a screenshot of completion of that, you will get your credit. Any questions? Send me an email, and good luck.